fall in a deep dark space. They say things get better, just hold your time and wait. But it feels like we're waiting forever. I'm ready to end this pain. Close my eyes and fade away. Fade away.
Just that stance, you know what I mean? They almost look a little bit musty in to some extent with like the side skirts, the way that they've done the bumpers, or the flaring at least. We all know this, but every time I make these videos, guys, I like to give it like a first-hand experience, as if somebody was on this page for the first time. So I know many of you will know exactly what I speak about, you'll know how I run my videos, but there's always new people watching. So for those of you who are here, please don't forget to hit a like and a subscribe, show your boy some love. But yes guys, those yellow calipers popping through. Of course we still have the AliExpress, we're still rocking them. They still do look nice. What is going on with my speech today? But yes guys, there she is. Still want to lower it. Like imagine that sitting a little bit more plumb on the road. Still want to get black rims. I do love these rims, but I think if I'm going with the black theme, I need to get some black rims. I've been saying this for months guys, this is the thing. So yes, brake calipers and discs still very healthy. One thing I love about these cars, it cost me £200 to replace all 4 brake discs and all 4 pads. £200 guys. If this was like a BMW or an Audi, I'd be in for like almost £1,000 probably. Obviously depending on, you can get like really cheap poopy ones, but yeah, just these cars so easy to maintain in comparison to other things. Just a mini shout out guys to Henry, he's in the Sprocket Familia group. He got his remap done this weekend, remap or stage 1 if you will, which is pretty damn sick. Like I say to you guys, I'm not far behind. Glasses. Alright, beast mode on, gear 3, let's go! We're in 4, oh there's a BM up my ass. Yeah buddy! What a beautiful day we have here folks. What a beautiful day. Oh my word. This is how I like to start my weeks guys. My Scorpion, some sun. We might go grab a coffee, we'll see how much time we have guys. But I need to get to work. don't know if you guys saw that blue TT sitting very nicely on the road. Ready? Like I say, guys, it's nice to have the choice. It's really noisy when you need it to be, or when you want it to be. Oh, gorgeous. Yes, please. How we like it. Yes, please. Air is nice and crisp this morning, 9 degrees. You can tell it's cold, so these cars love the cold. Love, love. Let's see how much we've done on this previous tank. I think it was number B. So here we are, guys. I think this was the last one I did. Let me just check. Yeah, 226 miles. I think that's about accurate, if I'm not mistaken. Travel time 10 hours. Let's just, I gotta go all the way around, hang on. So yeah, on average 35.3 miles, 0.3 miles per gallon. It's not too bad. It's not too bad for a 1.4 turbo. It's not too bad. The Audi I had TT used to do like on average, if I was lucky, 20 to 25. So yeah, very grateful to say the least. I reckon just over 40 pounds to the first click. Let's see, what are we at? 137 is the current price. And what do we think of these lock ones, guys? Is it worth getting just like one that just pulls in and out? What are we thinking? I kind of like the lock, to be honest. Just feels a bit more secure. Alright, here we go. Today. And guys, this isn't a cell phone that I'm using, so it is safer around the pump, just so you know. It shouldn't be giving off any like radiation signals or whatever for explosions and stuff, so yeah. Don't know how it works really, but something along those lines. Alright guys, we're at 39, 41, 42, 43.55, first click. £43.50, and that's from the 2 reserve. You get 2 reserve cells, which go very quickly on these cars. So there you go, £43 to fill this car. This will last me now. I don't do too much driving anymore during the week because of the 9 to 5. I'm literally in one place, but this will last me now a week, and even if depending on what I do on the weekend, it will take me over into next week, halfway even, if I do a low-key weekend and I don't do too much driving, which is never usually the case. I'm usually always driving around on the weekend. So yeah, it's that stance. Someone scratched my car over the weekend. Thank you to whoever you were. Oh, sounds good. Yeah, buddy. Like street city crawlers, these cars, aren't they? Like just the way they sound through the, like between buildings and stuff. It's perfect. Oh, it just never gets old. That's the thing. Never ever gets old. finishing work, folks. That's the plants. Lovely, lacquer. We're here. Woo woo! Alrighty, folks, we've just finished up graft. Cold start. 6:30. And we still have a bit of light. This is where summertime is beautiful. Alrighty guys, so that is a wrap, POV style of what it's like to drive on a Abarth and own one. A day in the life, guys, a day in the life. A little bit of 9 to 5 lifestyle in the mix as well. Stay locked in, guys. We've got a remap coming soon. Stage 1 is in the works. So stick around for that, because I want to take you guys along on the journey with me, and we want to see what we can do with this weapon of a car. It's been a long time coming. Just something about that stance and those wheels. I really like those Turismo wheels, just the way that they, I don't know, I don't even know. I just wish they were black as well. But anyways guys, please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe if you have not done so already. You will see me soon guys, and like I say, stay locked in. There are still big things coming for this Abarth. Until next time, lekker, bye.